The Sprott. Silver Miners and Physical Silver ETF, ticker SLVR, is designed to give investors diversified exposure to the silver market by combining silver mining equities with a smaller allocation to physical silver trusts. This hybrid structure makes SLVR different from both pure silver miner ETFs and physically backed silver ETFs. SLVR tracks an index of roughly 30 to 50 securities made up primarily of companies involved in silver mining, along with a limited allocation to closed-end trusts that hold physical silver. The goal is to provide broad exposure to the silver ecosystem, capturing both the operational leverage of mining companies and the stability of physical silver ownership. The fund focuses on companies that derive a significant portion of their revenue from silver-related activities. To do this, SLVR uses a proprietary classification system that groups issuers into three categories: silver producers, developers, and explorers. Producers are companies actively mining and selling silver. Developers are preparing mines or advancing projects toward production. Explorers are focused on discovering new silver resources. This structure allows the ETF to capture different stages of the silver mining lifecycle. To qualify for inclusion, companies must meet a minimum silver intensity score, which measures how closely a company's business is tied to silver. Securities with higher silver exposure receive greater weight in the index. Companies with the highest silver intensity are weighted using traditional free-float market capitalization, while those with moderate exposure use an adjusted weighting methodology. This approach is designed to emphasize silver-focused businesses while still maintaining diversification. One of the key differentiators of SLVR is its inclusion of physical silver exposure through silver trusts. While this allocation is smaller than the mining equity portion, it can help dampen volatility during periods when mining stocks underperform physical silver. To control concentration risk, the fund caps its physical silver allocation at 17.5%, ensuring the ETF remains primarily equity-driven. Because SLVR holds mining companies, its performance can diverge significantly from the spot price of silver. Mining stocks are influenced by factors beyond silver prices, including production costs, labor issues, geopolitical risk, capital allocation decisions, and overall equity market sentiment. In strong silver markets, these stocks can offer amplified upside. In weaker markets, they can experience deeper drawdowns. Geographically, SLVR provides exposure to silver mining companies across multiple regions, which adds diversification but also introduces currency and political risk. Mining operations in different jurisdictions can be affected by local regulations, taxation policies, and resource nationalism, all of which can impact returns. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We focus on helping you understand exactly what you own when you invest in ETFs. From a portfolio perspective, SLVR is best viewed as a thematic or satellite allocation rather than a core holding. It may appeal to investors who are bullish on silver and want exposure to both mining leverage and physical silver in a single ETF. Compared to pure mining ETFs, SLVR's physical silver component can slightly reduce volatility, but it is still a higher risk investment compared to broad market funds. The index underlying SLVR is rebalanced semi-annually. This helps ensure that the portfolio continues to reflect companies that are actively contributing to the silver industry and that concentration limits remain intact as market conditions change. Before investing, it's important to understand that SLVR combines commodity risk, equity risk, and geopolitical risk. That combination can create attractive opportunities during favorable silver cycles, but it can also result in sharp volatility. Before you go, let me know in the comments how you prefer to invest in silver. Do you lean toward physical silver, mining stocks, or a blended approach like SLVR? If you found this video useful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns and portfolio strategy content. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions.